How to add sound effects to a video. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, open a Play Store. Now tap on the source icon. Now search for CapCut. Now tap on CapCut and install this application. After installing, simply tap on open. Now tap on new project. Now select the video you want to add.
How to
Now
make a
tap
post.
on add. Now wait for some time. Now simply tap on audio. Now tap on sound effects. Now select the sound effect you want to add. You can also search for sound effects. Now tap on the plus icon to add. Now adjust the position. Now once you're done, simply tap on export. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel, hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.